Hello, how have you been? My full name is Guilherme Augusto Francisco. I'm 22 years old and my birthday is on July 21st. My nickname is Gui. I prefer Gui from my friends. I live in São Paulo, but at the moment I live in São Carlos, at Professor Oscar Pich Street, number 229, in Prolongamento Jardim das Torres. I work in sales, and I always work in this area. I work from Mondays to Saturdays at convenience shop and study English on Thursdays. I'm capable of working alone or teams. I want to be a mechanical engineer, to be exact, at creation parts. I'm always creating stuff. I have a big family. We are in 4 brothers. I'm the oldest. The second is Leonardo. He is 21 years old. The third is Guilherme. He is 21 years old and adopted. The fourth is Arthur. He is 14 years old. And I have excellent parents. My hobbies are: I like play games, strategy, adventure, action and fight games. At the moment, my favorite strategy game is Age of Mythology. It's a very nice game, excellent history and epic fights. I adore watching animes. For me, the best anime is One Piece. It's an adventure, fight, action, and comedy anime. My favorite character is Monkey D. Luffy. He is very strong. I like reading books, for example, history, adventure, and Norse mythology. I love watching series too. My favorite type are action, thriller, adventure, and medieval. At the moment, my favorite series is Game of Thrones. It has a very nice plot, epic fights, and excellent history. And I also adore fishing. For me, it's very good to relax and learn to be patient. That's all for now. Thanks for your time. Any questions, contact me on my email guilherme1193_@hotmail.com. Farewell.